Hello guys, I am Vicky from JEFFIA Machinery. Today I'm gonna show you 468SL-K2. This is a 45-degree edge bending machine with servo control system. It is 6.8 meters long and 2.5 tons weight. So let's look at the touch screen first. As you can see, this machine has three functions. The first one, bevel-straight. The second one, full bevel. The third one, bevel-cut. Now I will show you what components this machine has. Touch screen, 45-degree cutting unit, straight edge premium, tape feeding platform, color mixing PUR glue pot, 45-degree pressure rollers, band heating unit, straight edge pressure rollers. This trimming unit is specific for full bevel, and the trimming unit. This trimming unit is specific for bevel-straight with servo control. Bottom scraper unit, the upper scraper unit, polishing unit. The panel I am holding is 25mm thick. Now let's take a look at the actual machining results for 468SL-K2. Now we choose bevel-straight function, reserve the 3mm straight edge. We choose the full bevel function. In traditional mic'd corner processing, slotting directly on the roll panel first and then installing the laminate connectors. The moisture can penetrate into the panel over time, causing swelling and deformation. The K2 can provide a better solution. Edge bend first, then slot and install the laminate connectors. This one is full bevel, and this one is bevel-straight. Look at the corner joint, they're totally different. By edge bending before assembly, the corner joint section is more stronger and more durable.